Hi everyone, welcome to Glitch Guru. In today's video, we'll show you what to do if the circle to search feature is not working on your Samsung Galaxy phone or tablet. Samsung's circle to search feature is only available on high-end phones and tablets. So, if you can't find this option on your phone, make sure your device supports it and you are running the latest version of One UI. Next, you'll need to ensure the circle to search feature is enabled on your phone. To do this, first head to the Settings app. Now, scroll down and tap on Display. In this menu, scroll down again and tap on Navigation bar. Here, enable this circle to search toggle. Once you've done this, you can long press the Home button or the navigation bar at the bottom and circle anything to search for it. If the feature is still not working, go to the Settings app again and scroll down to tap on Apps. Here, tap on Choose Default Apps. In this menu, tap on Digital Assistant app. Then, enable this Analyze on-screen images option. After this, circle to search should start working again. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe.